In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily upload your documents to iCloud using your iPhone or iPad. By the end of this session, you'll have all your essential documents uploaded securely to iCloud, making them accessible across all your Apple devices. So let's get started. First, take your iPhone or iPad and look for the Files app. You'll recognize it by its blue folder icon. Open it up and we'll move right along. Once inside the Files app, you'll notice a variety of options, but what we need is located on the Browse tab. You'll find this at the bottom of your screen, so go ahead and tap on that. As soon as you're in the Browse tab, look for iCloud Drive and tap on it. Now, we're in the area where all our cloud-based files live. If you're using other cloud services, this is a good time to appreciate how iCloud can streamline your experience by keeping everything synced and easy to access. Next, locate the plus icon, which is commonly found at the upper corner of your screen. This is your gateway to adding new documents. However, if your documents are stored in a different app, tap on Browse to hunt them down. This flexibility allows you to upload files no matter where they are stored on your device. Once you've tapped the plus icon or navigated through Browse, it's time to select your document. Look through your available files and decide which document you want to upload to iCloud. Tap on the document you've chosen, confirming your selection. This step is crucial because whatever you select here will soon be whisked away to iCloud for safekeeping. Now, depending on where your file currently resides, whether it's in local storage or another part of your device, you'll have options to move or copy it to iCloud Drive. This decision is generally based on whether you want to keep the original file in its current location or just have a copy in iCloud. If space is a concern or for organizational purposes, deciding to move instead of copy might be beneficial. Finally, let's execute the transfer. If your document is located elsewhere than iCloud, simply tap Move or Copy. You'll then be able to select a folder within iCloud Drive to park your file. Choosing the right folder is important as it helps keep everything tidy and retrievable. Once your document is in the desired folder, congrats. It's now securely uploaded to iCloud and accessible anywhere you have an Apple device. And there you have it, your documents are now seamlessly uploaded to iCloud. Don't forget, keeping your files organized in clearly named folders will make sure you can always find what you need quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using your Apple devices. Have a fantastic day.